Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn on dynamic lighting in your Windows 11. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, hit enter, and then in your settings page, you can go to your personalization in your left side menu here. Click on it. And then if you scroll down, you will find dynamic lighting. You can click on it. And then you can see there's option to use dynamic lighting on my devices. So you can just turn it on by click this toggle. And also if you want compatible apps in the background always control lighting, you can turn it on. Also click this toggle. And it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.